Okay, it's this time in the afternoon. It's pretty dark. The forecast for the last couple days has been saying blizzard. I don't know what that means, but it's starting now. Snow out there. There's a goose. Where did that guy go? He was out there a second ago. There were goose walking around. Um, how do they stay warm? They've got down. Oh, there it is. Is that a goose? That's a goose. Here we go. All right. Move. Let them know that you're real. Oh, aren't you cold, little goose? Come on. Get to some shelter. I'm going to do some updates and try to clip them together for this blizzard. I don't know what blizzard means. I think I said that earlier, but I don't know what it means. That goose is dead. It's frozen solid. Why is it's just standing there? Come on, goose. As soon as I get some movement from you, I'm ending the video. But it's not looking good. I think that one's a goner. Something, goose. Where are your friends? If I zoom in a little bit, oh, I can't zoom in anymore. Oh, it turned its head. That counts as movement. Okay. Blizzard update coming soon. Okay, it's 15 minutes later. It's blizzing pretty hard out there. My goose is gone. So he or she went back to their goose friends, grabbed some shelter. This is going to be bad. That's my car right there. That's going to be covered in snow in a few hours. So if blizzard means what I think it means, which means a lot of snow, then we're going to have a time with it. So the geese, I hear the geese. They're out there. They're squawking. Here we go. We're blizzing. We're blizzing it up. Goose friend is long gone. I hear his homies, but we'll be okay. A lot of snow. Okay, this is probably the last blizzard update for a little while. We're going out there. I hear sirens. I hear sirens a lot at this apartment complex. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if there's like high crime, high death, if there's something rebounding, like the sound of the sirens rebounding. I don't know what it has to rebound off of. There's no elevation here. But sirens going, blizzarding. I mean, this is it. Okay, I know I just said that I wasn't gonna update for a little bit, but I just saw something funny, which was like a little two guys taking a little like 1 foot tall dog on a walk, and they were like, "Hey, we got to get this dog out of here. Like, he's not going to be able to walk for like 3 days, because the snow's going to be higher than him." He peed on that tree, so I don't know. Maybe he provided a little residual warmth towards my apartment. That's a little gross, but yeah, that little dog's not going to make it.